Hey guys, what's up, Edward here. Apple has officially released iOS 14 for following devices. Check out if your device is in this list. So after installing this update, I thought it would be great if I share the experience or review of this update with you all. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to never miss the updates. Without wasting time, let's get started. This new update brings you widgets, which is old thing for Android users, but new to iOS users. Let's start with the new home screen, which look more interesting with widgets now. I will talk about widgets soon. Let me start with App Library. Here all your apps are automatically organized. This is the first time Apple has made all apps in an organized manner or everything in one place. If you swipe down, you will get an alphabetical arrangement of all apps listed. You can still pull down to search from anywhere of a home screen for apps, but it also adds more results from browser and Siri. So, this app library may be useful for users. Now let's talk about widgets. Finally, widgets are now available in iPhones. But it's not as customizable as Android. Like you can put them in anywhere you want or can change any size you want. Like you can't put the widget in middle of your home screen, it should be either in right side or in left side. And also, you can't put in alone on a right without anything on a left, so it's still restricted in an iPhone way as you can see. But you can long press and hit plus button and explore through available widgets and add them to screen. You will get different styles or size of a widgets, you can choose from them. Okay, apart from these standard widgets, iOS 14 has brought some interesting dynamic or customizable widgets. Like Smart Stack. In this you can add several widgets together and look into all of them in a single widget. How cool is that? And best part is you can edit this Smart Stack widgets and get rid of widgets that you don't want. You can also create your own Smart Stack by adding two widgets. Just select a widget, drag it into top on another one, and there it becomes a scrollable stack. Now you can hide home screen. Let's say we have bunch of applications that we don't use regularly but don't want to uninstall it, because we may have to use it someday. Put them all in one screen and long press on screen, click on dots in bottom, just untick which screen you want to hide. Now you don't see extra apps taking space in your home screen. You can have a clean, organized layout. Another major things that iOS 14 updates finally fixes is, now when you get a phone call for FaceTime call for example, it won't just dominate the whole screen anymore. Instead it will just give a drop-down notification, which you can answer or simply ignore and do whatever you are doing, without any problem. Also Siri. Now when it opens, it's designed to open in a small animation at the bottom of a screen, which was taking whole screen in previous versions. Results are now shown in a top of the screen in a small pop-up window. Picture-in-picture is now widely supported throughout entire OS now. So that you can use this feature almost everywhere wherever you need it. Whether you are watching movie in Apple TV or you are in a FaceTime call, or watching video in Safari, once you are in full screen, just swipe up, a video will shrink and start playing in small picture-in-picture window. You can also adjust size of that window or you can move it to any corner of video, still you will be able to hear audio playing in the background. That's awesome. That really feels like multitasking. Apple finally introduces emoji search in stock keyboard, like no need to search for suitable emojis like earlier. You can just type what emoji you need and it suggests you that emoji. Yeah, I know it's an old feature in Android but completely new for iOS stock keyboard users. And then you have stock translate app, which has really decent looking simple UI, but it only supports limited languages as of now. It may be able to support more languages in feature updates. So let's wait few more days for more features in this app. There is another interesting option that I found in settings. Open settings, go to accessibility, sound recognition. This will let you turn on notification if phone's mic recognizes sounds of certain things, like sound of door knock, fire alarm, sound of cat or dog, and many more. You can choose the sounds for which you want to get notified. That's a cool option. As Apple always says, privacy matters. Now it has introduced a feature that lets you know, every time any of the app wants to use your mic. iOS shows a little orange light at the top of the screen that your phone is using mic, and a little green light whenever any app starts using camera, so that you will be able to know if any app using mic or camera without your permission. And again, many other extra features are available for other Apple devices like advanced camera features, Memoji updates and much more. The features that iOS 14 brings to iPhone 6s, I have shared in this video. Apple has tried hard to bring all the handy features that Android have, but still, iOS restricts these features in its own way. Let me know which feature you like the most, or which feature Android should adopt from iOS. You can comment below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. That's me signing off, see you in next video.